we have to solve this problem of triple integration. We have to find volume which is bounded by the given curves, okay, or surfaces. What is formula to find volume? The formula is, I will write, we have, our formula is volume is equal to triple integration dz dy dx over region S. Okay, so here S is bounded by, here S is bounded by, what we have, z is equal to 5 minus x square minus y square. See, the same thing we can write in this way, that is x square plus y square is equal to 5 minus z. What I have done, I have shifted x square y square on this side and I shifted z on that side. Okay, so this is equation of paraboloid. This is equation of paraboloid. Since power of x and y is 2 and power of z is 1. See, that means this paraboloid is rotating about z-axis, but z has a minus sign. That means paraboloid in a negative direction of z-axis. See, diagram will be like this: y-axis, x-axis and z-axis, right? Z-axis, y-axis, x-axis. See, if I put x and y 0, value of z will be 5. So that's why this paraboloid cuts z-axis at 0, 0, 5 and it is in the direction of negative z-axis. Okay, so paraboloid will be like this. This is a given paraboloid. Okay, second surface is again a paraboloid and z is equal to 4x square plus 4y square. Power of z is 1, power of x and y is 2, that means again it is a paraboloid. But power of z is 1, that means it is rotating about z-axis and z has a positive sign. That means this paraboloid in a direction of positive z-axis. It will be like this. Getting? So see, I will draw the paraboloid. This is a rough sketch of given paraboloid. Okay. See, these two paraboloids, which is in downward direction, second paraboloid in upward direction, they will intersect and we will have a curve of intersection that will be a circle. You can easily guess. So it will be a circle. Getting? So here they will intersect in a circle. We will have a circle where they intersect. Okay. So I will mention a paraboloid. Paraboloid. See, when we have a problem of paraboloid, when we have a problem of cylinder or cone, we convert the problem in cylindrical coordinate system, so problem will be very easy. So I will mention to convert the problem in cylindrical coordinate system, cylindrical coordinate system. What we put, you remember? We put, what we put, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta and z is equal to z. And if you put this, we will have dz dy dx is equal to r dz dr d theta. Okay, so when we put, okay, when we convert a problem in cylindrical coordinate system, our first task is to convert the equation in cylindrical coordinates. Okay, so what we have, the first curve, we have first curve is z is equal to 5 minus x square minus y square. So let us put values of r and theta. X is equal to, sorry, r and, yeah, x is equal to r cos theta, so r square cos square theta. Y means r sin theta, so r square sin square theta. So if I take r square common, we will have cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is 1. So that's why only we will have 5 minus r square, z is equal to. So in this way we converted first equation in cylindrical coordinates. We have one more equation. Now, what is second equation? Z is equal to 4x square plus 4y square. I will do the same. I will put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. So this is 4 r square cos square theta plus 4 r square sin square theta. Tell me, what can we take common? We can take 4r square common. So in bracket we will have cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is 1. So therefore z is equal to 4r square. By taking common we will have cos square plus sin square 1. See, therefore equation of this paraboloid is z is equal to 5 minus r square, and equation of this paraboloid is z is equal to 4r square. So there is no more space, so I suggest you to make a screenshot of it. After that we will go further. It is necessary to know the curve of intersection also here. What we do when we wish to find point of intersection? We put one equation in second equation, so we get point of intersection. So here, to know curve of intersection, I will put one equation of surface in second equation of surface. To find, I will clearly mention, to find curve of intersection, we put, what shall we put? Z is equal to 4r square in z is equal to 5 minus r square. So let us see what will happen. So therefore I am putting z is equal to 4r square is equal to 5 minus r square. I am shifting r square on this side. So 4r square plus r square, 5r square is equal to 5. 5 will get cancelled. R square is equal to 1. So therefore r is equal to 1. Here we will not get plus minus 1 since r is a radius and it cannot be negative. So let us find limits. Then first we write limits of z, then r, and then theta. So when we think for limits of z, we consider a strip which is parallel to z axis. What is our funda? We consider bounded below, after that bounded above. So here if you consider a strip like this, vertical strip, it is bounded below by this paraboloid whose equation is z is equal to 4r square, and bounded above by this paraboloid whose equation is z is equal to 5 minus r square. Okay, r means, you know that in polar coordinates we consider a strip always starts at origin. So starts at origin and finishes at circle. So it starts at origin, so that's why it's 0, and finishes at circle having radius 1. So to cover the complete region, theta should vary from 0 to 360 degree. That means 0 to 2 pi. So let us find volume now. Then volume, what is formula of volume? Triple integration over S dz dy dx. So triple integration r dz dr d theta, since we are converted this problem in cylindrical coordinate system. What are limits of z? 4r square to 5 minus r square. Limits of r 0 to 1 and theta 0 to 2 pi. So integration 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 1, r will come outside. Since we are integrating with respect to z, r is a constant. Integration of dz is z only with limits 4r square to 5 minus r square dr d theta. We don't have a space, so make a screenshot of it and after that we will go further. Let us complete this problem. So volume is equal to integration 0 to 2 pi 0 to 1 r. See, I am putting upper limit first, 5 minus r square. Lower limit is 4r square dr d theta. See, 5 minus r square minus 4r square, 5r square dr d theta. Let us take product first, then we will integrate. Okay. See, product will be 5r minus 5r cube dr d theta. It is not required. Let me remove it now. Okay. So this is equal to integration 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 1. Okay, we will integrate now. What will be its integration? 5r square by 2. Its integration 5r raised to 4 by 4 with limits 0 to 1 d theta. Let us put upper limit, then we will put lower limit. So this is 0 to 2 pi. If you put upper limit 1, 5 by 2 minus 5 by 4. If you put 0, we will have 0 d theta. So you can easily find 5 by 2 minus 5 by 4, again 5 by 4. So it is 5 by 4, 0 to 2 pi d theta. What is integration of d theta? It's theta with limit 0 to 2 pi. So this is 5 by 4. If I put upper limit 2 pi, if I put lower limit 0. See, 2 will get cancelled and we will have 5 pi by 2 cubic units. So this is required volume. So example is over here. You can make a screenshot of it and after that we will stop. Thank you. Bye bye.